Hello student, how are you? Welcome to my new class. Okay, what do you see in the picture? What do you see here? Look at here carefully. There are so many boats on the river. Can you imagine what is this? Why they are in same place? So many boats are here. Why? Can you imagine that? I think you can imagine. Okay, let's see another picture, then we can understand. Okay, what is this? Here are so many tents we can see here. That is called tarpaulin tents. Like a polythene tents, this is called tarpaulin tents. Okay, and the next picture, here what can we see here? There is a people and snake charming. So what can this topic, can you understand? I think you can understand. Yes, this is the river Gypsy in Bangladesh. Unit 7, lesson 3, class 8. Okay. Next, this prepared by me, Ismat Ara, assistant teacher, Sripur Govt Pilot High School, Sripur, Gazipur. Okay. Some important keywords. First one is gypsy. Do you know what is the meaning of gypsy? Gypsy মানে হচ্ছে যাযাবর. And here I make a sentence with the word gypsy. Most of the gypsies are illiterate. Okay, next one, ethnic. What is the meaning of ethnic? Do you know? Ethnic মানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে গোত্র বা জাতীয় বা জাতি. The ethnic people are helpless. সাধারণত উপজাতিদেরকে বা বেদের জাতিদেরকে বোঝানোর অর্থে এথনিক ব্যবহার হয়. কি লিখেছি? The ethnic people are helpless. Okay, next one, nomadic. What is the meaning of nomadic? Nomadic মানে হচ্ছে যাযাবর. জিপসি মানেও যাযাবর, nomadic মানেও যাযাবর. Okay, nomadic দিয়ে আমি কি লিখেছি এখানে দেখো. Nomadic life is very pathetic. যাযাবর জীবন অনেক বেশি কি দুঃখজনক, কষ্টের. ওকে, নেক্সট ওয়ান, রোয়াম. হোয়াট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ রোয়াম? রোয়াম মানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে ঘোরাঘুরি. সাম পিপল রোয়াম হিয়ার অ্যান্ড দেয়ার অল ওভার দ্য ইয়ার. কিছু মানুষ এদিক সেদিক সারা বছর ব্যাপী ঘোরাফেরা করে. ওকে, নেক্সট ওয়ান, টারপোলিন. দ্যাট মিনস তেরপল. আমরা বাংলায় তেরপল পলিথিনের মতো এক জাতীয় কাগজের মতো, এটাকে তেরপল বলা হয়, ইংলিশে বলা হয় টারপোলিন. ওকে, টারপোলিন ইজ ইউজড ফর কভারিং সামথিং, প্রোটেকশন ফ্রম সান অ্যান্ড রেইন অলসো. ওকে, নেক্সট ওয়ান, রেমেডি. হোয়াট ইজ দ্য রেমেডি? রেমেডি ইজ আরোগ্য. স্টিল নাও দেয়ার ইজ নো রেমেডি ফ্রম করোনা. Yes, and then vent. What is the meaning of vent? Vent মানে হচ্ছে বিক্রি. He can't vent his product because lockdown is progress. Okay, let's start our topic. Before starting our reading, I have given some multiple choice questions here. Read out it. Listen the reading carefully, then answer these 4 questions. First one, the term ethnic is connected to. Second, river gypsies roam around on their boat about ... month year. Number 3, river gypsies live in tents in. Number 4, the term nomadic refers to a person who. Okay, every question has 4 options and you have to answer the correct answer. Okay, let's go reading. River gypsies are ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groves and do not own any land. Therefore, they live a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. These boats are their houses, and these people are a part of our waters. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At the time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river bank. You can see their men relaxing in the tents. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by hair doing, picking of lice in 2 or 3 sitting in a row. And I added here a picture. There are 2 women. What are doing they? Can you say what they are doing? Actually, they are picking of lice. Okay. Then we can go again our previous questions topic. Now we can answer the correct answer. Which one is correct? The term ethnic is connected to. Ethnic is connected to people or plants or animals or fishes. Obviously, it is connected to the people, isn't it? Okay, next. Number 2. River gypsies roam around on their boats about ... months a year. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many times? River gypsies roam around on their boats about month a year. Yes, maybe 9. Okay. Then river gypsies live in tents in summer, winter, monsoon, spring. River gypsies live in a tent in, it must be summer. Okay. Next, number 4. The term nomadic refers to a person who stay permanently at a place, who travels from place to place, who live in one's own houses, and who lives in a rented house. Which one is correct? Okay, your answer must be travel from place to place. The term nomadic refers to a person who travels from place to place. Okay. Here is another reading for you. Okay. Pause it and read it. Okay, think all of you have finished reading, and I have already set up a picture here, and there is a man who is dived for collecting natural pears in water. Here are some pears in his net in his hand, isn't it? Okay, and what is this? This picture is gypsy's magic. Gypsy magic. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. They can make an evil spirit leave someone's body by magic on special powers. Though it is not correct or not true, but some villagers believe that. Okay. Here are some questions for you. First one, who are river gypsies? Number 2, how do they live? Number 3, what do river gypsies do in winter? Number 4, What do river gypsy men do for a living? Number 5. What do river gypsy women do for a living? Okay, you have to answer them in comment section. Okay, thank you and happy watching.